So this is Rishabh versus Avnish. Okay. Ojal versus Nishka. Okay, just kids, let me know actually which one we want to take first. Okay.
Sir, we had no Ojal.
Soham versus Ayush. Okay. Swayam versus Nishka. Is this the one you are saying, Swayam?
No, we had no Ojal, the last game which I
Okay.
won. But
You and Ojal.
the score of other.
Sir, what happened that in the last month
But
we
you-
played tournament and after that we didn't, means you take the tournament but my account problem was there, and this time directly I have taken 5 minutes games, no? So,
Mhm.
so that I have not practiced for 5 minutes game, so it was that
Last time,
so
what was the
problem.
how much was the time given, Ojal? 7 minutes.
No, sir, 5 minutes plus 2 minutes.
5 plus 2.
Good
This time
afternoon,
also
sir.
it was like that, right? Hello, Nishka.
No,
Hello,
sir,
good
it was
afternoon.
5 plus 3 last time.
Sir, it was 5 minutes, sir. Sorry, sir, I
minutes, sir.
did not see that.
Okay.
The time.
Okay. So, anyways, let's go. So, Soham, sorry, Swayam, the game that you are talking about is not there actually. So, if I look for Swayam Kotkar,
Sir, at what topic we are? I
We-
joined a little late.
yeah, so we are just starting, Avnish. Actually, we were waiting for other kids as well to join. Okay, so these are the games, Swayam. So I don't find your game and Ojal's game, okay? So anyways, let's come back, kids. So let me take the analysis of the game, kids. So this is the first game, which was
Who is white, who is black?
Rishabh is white, Avanish is black. Okay, so let's see what we are learning from this game. White played e4, black played e5, knight to f3, d6. This has provided the protection to the pawn and opened the diagonal for the bishop. Okay, mostly if this is played, generally the bishop comes here so that he can attack on the queen and keep the knight pinned. Okay, so that is the learning from this move, kids. But let us see actually what was the intention of black for playing this. We can see later. Knight c3 was played by white. The other knight comes from f6. Bishop comes out. Right, as I said, the bishop comes out here. Okay, to pin the knight and attack on the queen. And this bishop, white played this bishop to attack on the f7 pawn. Okay, but then this needs to be moved for that to bring the protection. Okay, but because of this black's move, okay, the knight got pinned. White cannot move the bishop, the knight. Okay, and if at all it gets moved, you will get opportunity to capture. Okay, so this was good move. The pawn got played. Again, the intention of white is also same. White may bring the bishop here. Let us see what happens in the next moves. Captured, captured. So black, okay, Avnish in this case. Actually, you should not capture this. Okay, just keep the pressure on the opponent. By capturing this, what you did, you release the pressure of the opponent, right? So generally, it is not recommended to capture. Keep the pressure over there unless and until the attack comes on bishop. Okay. Yes, Avnish.
But
Yes.
I captured, then if he captures with the queen, then his queen will be out, and if I get a chance to capture it, and if he captured by g2, na. So his f2 and g2
Correct.
pawn get double rank, and his king's rank also get open.
Correct. So from that perspective, your observation is good, Avnish. Okay. that you capture this, and when the pawn captures, the pawn is getting doubled. Kids, we already talked about the disadvantage or drawback of the double pawn. Okay. Another disadvantage of this move, I mean for white, is white cannot do the castling after this, right? Because this pawn is anyways open, right? And if at all white does the castling, it is of no use because the king will still be vulnerable for attack from anywhere from the G file. Okay. So with that intention, black captured. Okay. Now white captured with the pawn. Ideally, he should have captured with the queen actually. Okay, so that this pawn structure will not get disturbed. Okay, kids. So if such kind of situation, if you run into, okay, suppose you are white and your opponent captures this, so go ahead and capture with the queen rather than capturing with the pawn, because otherwise the pawn structure gets disturbed and you will not be able to castle, as I said. Okay, so that's
Sir,
yes.
if the queen will capture and if he doesn't notice, in after 3 moves, the queen will be captured now. If he
How?
doesn't, if the knight comes to c6 and then d4, if the opponent doesn't see that it could capture,
Okay,
then
but by that time you will also get the chance, right? When you play this, obviously white will think that, okay, you are either going to come here or going to come here, right? So in that case, he can bring the bishop here to protect, correct?
yes,
So, but currently what is important is, at this point of time, capturing with the queen is the better solution. Okay, if at all the knight comes and try to attack, you can come back actually at that point of time, right? Either come back or bring the bishop well ahead of time, so that if the knight comes here, you can directly capture. Vice versa, if the knight comes here, okay, instead of this place, if the knight comes this side to capture this and attack on the king and the rook, by that time you, as soon as it comes this side, you directly castle, right? So both the rooks will be connected and knight will get the pawn, but that will be of not much use.
no sir, how could it will connect now?
Let me show you. Let me show you. Okay. Now you played this thinking that you are coming here, right? So what I will do, I will play this. Obviously, you cannot come here. So you will come here. Now what I will do, I will simply. Now can you see these two are connected? Okay.
Yes.
Secondly, even if you come here and capture, I will bring the rook and attack on your knight. Understood? So you are not losing queen by your knight the way you was assuming. Okay. Understood?
So can you go one move back? Now if I'm there, then I will play d4 only, because there is a support of pawn and then it will be an attack on white's c3 knight also.
Yes, so in that case as well, even if you capture, you're not achieving much. Now I will capture your pawn back. Okay.
I can give support.
Yeah, so if you bring the support, it's fine. I will attack here.
I will capture the pawn.
With this pawn?
Yeah. Now I will play the rook to b8. Now I will play the queen.
You will play the queen. Okay. I will give check from here. Right. Anyways, we are playing the game. Avnish, we are playing the game in that case. Okay. We are getting diverted, kids. Okay. Let's come back. Okay. In short, you are not losing anything, even if you are capturing with the queen. Did you understood, kids?
Yeah.
Is this point clear? But now because it was captured with this, okay, white has disturbed his own structure. Okay. That is the only important point I wanted to tell you and learn from this game. Okay, kids. Let's move next.
Only this
The
one.
knight comes out. Bishop comes. Knight comes again as expected actually. The intention is here. But because the queen is standing here, you don't have to worry. Another intention is to capture this pawn. But again, we have the queen. So don't worry. Yeah. So not to worry about this movement, kids. Okay. Let's see what next. This pawn should not have been played actually. It is directly getting captured. You are giving free of cost. Okay, the attack on the bishop. Bishop comes back. The pawn captured. Rook comes ahead. This was a mistake from black, kids. Can you find what is the mistake?
So the
Sir,
queen will
it is
capture
my
the knight. And oh yes. I mean, yeah, both of them.
Okay. You are losing your queen, black. Okay. Let's see what white did. Whether white was able to recognize that and all. Yes, white got the opportunity and captured, right? Then king captured this. Now again here as well, instead of king, you should capture with the rook. Okay.
Hello, sir. I
Yes,
cannot hear your voice or anyone's voice.
but we can hear yours, Astitwa.
Sir, I just rejoined.
Yeah. Okay. I am clearly audible, kids, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. So let's move. Here as well, as I said, instead of this, if you capture with the rook, the protection of pawn is still there with the king. Okay. So you will not lose your pawn. But because of this movement, now not only the pawn got captured, but also attack on the knight. Anyways, there was already attack
From
actually.
both the sides, knight has the threat.
Yes, but instead of this, white should have captured actually with this. Okay. When white captured this, okay, instead of capturing this, white should have captured the knight, obviously, because knight has 3 points. Okay. So this was the better move. Okay. But then why white did not play, you know, because the protection is going otherwise and we are losing our rook. Okay. So that was the intention. It was good intention actually. Okay. So this was played. The knight got saved. Okay. Queen comes here. And this is a mistake. Correct? Can you see? Because the queen comes here, this is a knight fork. Can you see? Check and your queen is gone. Okay, so although white got the queen of black earlier, okay, or black lost the queen, but what two important things to learn here, kids. One, even though the queen was lost of black, the player did not lost his focus. He was still focused. Okay.
Yes, sir, and
And
hope
still
also.
continued the game. Okay. And then he made a comeback. Although he was down in number of pieces as well as the number of points, but then he made the comeback. Okay. And here the queen got captured. Okay. Let's see how the game went ahead. Okay, you lost this. Kids, this is very important actually. In the end game, you need to save your pawns. Okay. This is another mistake, kids. Can you see? Black made the mistake now this time. He
Sir,
should
no,
have
it was
captured.
my mistake. I should capture
Sorry,
the B3 bishop.
correct. Captured.
Sir, can you go a little slow?
Yes.
It is so fast.
Okay. So now can you see there are two rooks actually from black side. and white side there is only one rook, although white had 3 pieces. Okay, but still because of these 2 rooks actually black can make miracles. Now here as well actually you had the opportunity to give check. But this is also good, actually you are attacking. Okay, and this is a mistake from white. Can you see, kids, what tactic you can apply here, kids? Any guesses?
Yes, sir. Sir, he is attacking the E4.
You don't need to worry about this attack, kids. You need to find the tactic that you are giving a check and capturing the bishop. Double attack. Okay.
Discourage.
Let's see. Let's see what happened in the game. Yes, black recognize that pattern. Okay, this is important learning, kids. Okay, when I take the pause and ask you what will be the move, okay, you need to start thinking. Okay, this is how you need to develop your thinking in your game as well. Okay, that although he is attacking, you should not think that, oh, let me remove this. Okay, when somebody attacks, you need to think, can I counter attack? Okay, there are 2 things that we do actually. One, when your opponent or enemy, okay, attacks, first natural reaction is you try to defend, right? You try to defend. That is one natural reaction. Okay, and second best defense is one, defending yourself is good, but counter attack is the best defense in chess. Okay, not only in chess but in reality as well. How many of you have learned judo, karate, or taekwondo kind of?
Sir, I had learned taekwondo.
Okay,
Sir, I
so
have learned karate.
yeah, within that it must have been taught to you, right? How to defend and how to immediately attack, right?
Yes,
So-
sir. Yes, sir.
Or is it the case that only defense is taught to you? It's not like that,
No, we
right?
have to attack us.
Both the things are taught over there, right?
Yes, sir.
How to defend as well as how to counter attack, and that too immediately, right? It needs immediate reaction. You cannot keep waiting for the, okay, let my opponent attack and then I will defend. Okay,
No,
so
it's not
it is
like that.
said that counter attack is the best defense. Now this is the best example for this. You don't need to worry about this attack. Simply bring your rook here and counter attack on the attacker itself. Okay, now when he plays, you can take the decision accordingly, right? Let's see what happened. Now, what was the mistake from white side? Do you know? Instead of playing
Can
here,
I tell?
yes, Avnish.
He can play king f3. So if black
Correct.
rook captures the c2 bishop, he can capture my e4 rook.
Correct. Okay, so again the same funda applied here, kids. Now when he attacked here, okay, he should have learned, oh my god, I was attacking here, but still he had the courage to counter attack on me. So why should I take the defending move? I will also attack. You capture mine, I will capture yours. So that he must have got the opportunity not only to save the bishop, okay, but to keep the constant pressure on the black. Okay, black had to run away actually. Black cannot do something like, okay, let me come here. Because if he comes to protect this rook, he will get captured again, right? So he had no choice but to run away, and you should have got opportunity to save your bishop in that case. Okay, but anyways, this is what was played by white. And okay, now actually here he should have saved, I mean captured this. But let us see now here, this is also not wrong, because if you can see there are 2 attacks here. Okay, attack on this as well as attack on this, but this can be easily defended just by playing this. Okay, you are saving, correct, as well as this bishop is protecting this. Okay,
And sir, another is it was my mistake and knight can play to g7, it will be check to my king. Then I will move my king. There is not any other alternative.
Right.
Then white can save his bishop.
Correct. So this was also possible actually. Let's see what happened.
Not g3, g7.
G7. Okay.
Because
Right.
f4 pawn
G3.
is there.
Correct. So this was also possible, right? And then king cannot come here because there is a this diagonal is blocked. Right. So this was good move actually for white, but white missed that. White played this, captured. Okay. Now again mistake from white. Kids, when you are materially down, you should not give your material. Okay, exchanging the rook here is not good for white.
But sir, now we were in the same
Equal.
Yes, sir. It's not right because black has 2 rooks and white has only 1 rook.
Yes. So from that perspective, this was not recommended actually. Whereas this was
But
the
sir,
good move
white
in
has
that case.
bishop and knight also.
Yeah, but then rooks are the rooks, right? Rooks are better than this, correct? And importantly, as I said, double rook. Okay, if you can make the double rook, it is more stronger than a queen. Okay.
But sir, it is not a double rook, it is on the another
You
end.
should have done immediately, right?
Yeah.
You should have done the double rook, give the check. When he comes here, give the check. Comes here, capture. And in the next move, it was kind of checkmate. Okay. Anyways, let's see. Captured. Now, can you see? This is like black is going on capturing and white is simply following. It is of no use. You cannot capture him, right? So
Yes, sir.
instead of that, you should have thought something else. Let's see. Now here as well, white should have captured this. Kids, once you block the line, never leave that. Okay. So if you want to checkmate earlier. This was a mistake from white. Why he played this, don't know. It is pinned. And you
So
are
it was by mistake because Rishabh has so less time.
Okay, so time pressure we can understand, yes. Okay, time pressure can be the thing. And now it is simple. Now you should go for
the less time by 20 seconds
okay.
And less.
And now when such situation is there, kids, although there are pawns on the board, okay, but because you have the king and the rook, you can make the one rook mate position. Okay, very simple. And now see, opposition is made. It is one move made now, right? Simple. And it is done by black. Okay, so important learning from the game is, kids, one, even if you lose your important piece, do not lose the hope. Okay, that is first learning. Black lost the queen early in the game, but still he kept his cool and continued playing. Okay, 1 second, Ojal. Okay, let me finish, then you can ask your question. Second thing, even if you are ahead of in the game, now in case of white had opportunity to win the game when he captured the queen. Okay, so he should have planned properly so that with his queen, additional queen, one simple funda that you need to apply, kids. Whenever you are materially ahead, simply go ahead and trade the pieces. Okay, rook के बदले में rook, knight के बदले में knight, bishop के बदले में bishop. Okay, end of the game you will have extra queen remaining on the board, right, with you, and you can easily do the one queen mate. Correct. So that was missed from white here. Okay, this is second learning. Okay, and third important learning is whatever you learned so far, those are the tactics, or say for example counter attack is the best defense. I told that was another learning, and then apply all your tactics and skills and you can win the game easily. Okay, let's come to the question. Ojal, yes, want to say something?
Yes, sir. That in that middle only. Sir, can you take some moves back?
Yes. Tell me till where?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And 2 moves on back. Sir. Yes, sir. Here only that when this also back the black rook can capture the bishop, and black has done, black could have done earlier second mate, but black didn't do it.
Okay. Ayush, want to say something?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Yes, sir. I was asking that can you play a game of mine? I've played with
Yes, we will
Soham.
do. Any questions regarding this game, Ayush?
No, sir.
Okay, cool. Okay, kids,
Sir,
any
I
other
have a
question?
doubt.
Okay, tell me.
You can go to the board. Yes, sir. Some steps behind. When black has two rooks. Yes, sir. Here, he can also capture the bishop. I
Yeah, so he could have captured the bishop, but in that case, there was chance to lose the rook, right? So that is the
So
reason
it
he
was
had,
correct or wrong, sir?
it was correct. In this board position, it was correct. But before this itself, okay, when this was the situation when he played this, okay, actually he could have captured, okay, but then there was, yeah, this was the situation where he should have captured the bishop itself, okay,
Okay,
but
sir.
in this position,
So I get a
capturing
mistake and
capturing the
I
rook is
see.
important, okay.
Sir,
Yes, Avnish.
Sir, he could go to E2, rook to E2, D
E2,
D2 to E2. Yes, sir.
but then you are going to lose both the rooks in that case, right?
Yes, sir.
so he was saying, can you go one move back? Now he
Now?
was saying to go to E2. Now.
Yes, but then again what happens is, because of this knight and bishop and rook, okay, it is still risky, but simple is because
Sir,
you are getting
the
opportunity,
bishop
capture
could,
it.
sir, bishop could capture the rook in this
So it
case.
is black to play now, right? For white to play, it was a check, so bishop cannot capture. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's go to the next one, kids. So what was it?
So who is black?
Ayush versus Soham. Okay, Soham is white, Ayush is black. Soham white. White played d4, black played d5, knight to c3, knight to c6. Queen comes out. Soham, you should not bring the queen out, okay?
Okay,
Knight comes out. So black is following the opening principles, whereas white has broken the opening principle. Okay. Let's see, the other knight comes out. Pawn. This was the opportunity actually. Captured. You should have captured free of cost. This was a free pawn, kids. Okay. So white, Soham, you had the opportunity to capture free, and Ayush, you should not give the pawn free. Okay, how is it free? See, now you cannot capture back. If you try to capture it, you are losing your knight. Okay.
Yes, sir, I forgot to say it only.
Yes. So you need to be careful, kids. Okay. But anyways, white did not recognize that, and white lost that opportunity. Okay. What was the intention for bringing the knight here?
Sir, to give.
Soham,
yeah, sir.
what was intention for bringing the knight here?
So if I bring there, so my knight, if I go in a, uh, sir, F, if I go to the F,
7.
yeah, yes, sir. So if I go there, so
his rook or the queen will capture. So
Yeah,
when
but
he
then
will, so
king will capture you, right?
But the
Yeah.
king will capture the knight.
Correct. So there is no
Because-
support.
Sir,
Right?
this only happened.
Yeah, without support you should not bring.
Support. If
See.
the knight had the support, then it
Correct.
is right.
Correct, correct. So see, you lost your knight here, correct?
Yes, sir.
Anyways, this was played, captured. This is a big mistake. You are losing your queen. You
Yes,
are losing
sir.
your queen. Captured, captured, captured.
Oh,
Both of you made a mistake. He is giving you the threat and you are still keeping in front of him. He should have played here actually. Okay.
Sir, I was
Sir,
going
was
to
Sir, can
D7
you-
only. By mistake, I pressed E7, sir.
Okay. So maybe it was by mistake or something, but both the players lost the queen. Okay. This was a mistake
sir.
again. You are giving it free of cost.
yes, sir.
Check. 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 This was mistake. Okay, you are giving your two pieces actually.
No,
This was again mistake. Actually, what was the problem to bring it back here? You could have saved your bishop, right? Lost.
Sir, because I was having only 1 minute to do, so I was doing fast.
Okay, so time pressure. Okay,
Yeah.
but then you should be able to manage the time pressure as well, kids. Okay. Maybe
yes, sir. In
I will show you some games where the players. Okay, this is good. Black managed to promote the pawn. Okay, so pawn promotion was applied here. So good that. Okay,
now I did checkmate.
sure.
Arre,
White also managed, but then it got captured. Okay. Very good. End of the game, it was a checkmate. Okay. So good game altogether, kids. But both the players made few mistakes actually, which needs to be avoided. Okay. Like losing the queen is not acceptable. Giving the pieces free is not acceptable. So particularly for you. Okay. So one simple thing that you can do, kids, here is ask the question to yourself before making the actual move. Okay. What benefit I am going to get? What is the purpose of that move? Okay. And accordingly, then you can make that. Okay. So let's move to the next game, kids. We still have 5 minutes.
Sir,
Let
can
us
you-
see. Yes, Soham.
Sir,
Sir,
Can you-
me and
Sir, can you
Sir,
play
So
Nishka
we
and
will join again.
join back?
So we will join
Sir,
again.
me and Nishka.
Sir,
Sir, me
Nishka and Soham.
Yes, kids. If the game is not finished, analysis is not finished, you can join back. Okay. Any question, kids?
Sir,
Soham,
me
you
and
are saying
Nishka.
something?
Sir, me and Nishka. Play that game.
No, sir,
Okay.
Nishka and me.
Sir, me and
Okay.
Nishka.
This is Nishka
Nishka
and Swayam. Okay.
Sir, I'm white and she is black.
Swayam is white, Nishka is black. Okay. So E4, E5, knight to F3, knight to C3, knight to C6, knight to F3, knight to F6. Good. So far, so good. Both the players are playing like a matured grandmasters, you know. So
and are following the opening principles also.
yes, that's the reason I said matured grandmasters. Okay. Grandmasters follow all the opening principles, right? What is the problem here, kids?
No, sir. All grandmasters do not follow.
Okay.
Yes.
Here you are watching that boss who is white. Swayam, you can see the combination, right? एक simple सवाल पूछना है आपको. Why my opponent made this move? Why my opponent made this move, right? So as soon as you ask the question to yourself, you will realize, oh, she is attacking on this. Okay, doing the knight for my queen and rook. Okay.
Sir,
Or-
my weakness is that only. You have
Oh.
noticed now you have played two
Sir?
games and you have played these only moves.
yeah, but then you are not playing from that perspective, right?
Sir,
Let us see. Yes, Avnish.
but
I'm not
when I ask
confident.
the questions to myself, then I don't get any answers. There is no threat. So I don't ask.
But when I say ask the question, that doesn't mean that you ask and then keep waiting. Okay, that should become your habit when you are playing. Okay, and that should be very
But sir,
fast with the lightning speed, in fraction of
there is
second.
no, sir, but when I ask the questions to myself, then there is no threat. I assume that.
Okay. Okay, so check comes, come back. Okay. Now see, I was expecting this move, kids. Okay, because it is obvious you are going to lose either the queen or the rook. Okay.
But the black will capture the queen only if the queen didn't
Queen
move.
moved. Okay.
Yes, and it captured the
No,
rook.
this was mistake, Nishka. You still had opportunity
Yes,
to come
sir.
back.
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
H2 pawn can capture
Right.
the knight
And
of
correct,
G2.
and then save your knight easily. Or even you don't
Yes,
need
sir, I
to
did
worry.
not see that.
You don't need to worry about keeping it here as well. Okay, because king cannot go here because of your bishop. Okay.
Yes.
Secondly,
Yes, I did not see that actually.
yeah. Okay. So remember this always. Unless the king would have played this and then captured directly. Okay. So this was a mistake from black, and another mistake from white. White had opportunity to capture. White left that. Okay. So now you can save. Very good. Your knight was again saved. Okay. So welcome back, knight. That is what we will say. Welcome
Sir,
back in the game.
Sir,
Sir, we have to join by this link only. No?
I
Yes, yes,
had
join
two
back, join
plans.
back.
Sir, I had two plans that if we move the bishop to e3 and if the c5 bishops capture it, then we could capture it by our c1 queen.
Okay. Okay, kids. So, kids, I'm recording this session for Rishabh, who is off actually today. But then after this, the session will not be able to record because this gets saved actually. So I cannot start the new recording.